Welcome back. This is Firefighter Cafferata. We're doing fire safety tips, but today we're going to go over a quick and simple meal for my family. My family, they like simple proteins, simple vegetables. And we're going to go over something really good today. So we're going to do roasted vegetables and roasted chicken. Pretty much almost all in one dish. It's going to be basically marinated right here, just salt, pepper, a little olive oil, and it's going to go for both the chicken as well as the vegetables. Vegetables I'm going to use today, probably from Trader Joe's, but you can buy them at your local grocery store. This is broccoli and cauliflower mix. You can just get like a little bag. It's already triple washed, but you know, you can always wash it further if you want. I did 3 bags of this. 3 bags. Okay, then roasted carrots. These are cute little multi-colored carrots. Do whatever ones you like. If you don't like carrots, do something different. Do mushrooms. Now garlic, we have garlic right here. You put a whole bunch in there, it's going to be roasted garlic. The chicken, let me tell you, this feeds a family of 3 or firefighters of 3 or 2. This is boneless, skinless, all natural, basically chicken thighs. Chicken thighs, I got 2 of these guys. Chicken thighs, 2 of these guys. So basically what I'm going to do, we're going to get right to it. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do step by step. Be very easy, and I think you'll enjoy it. Okay, chicken thighs. I'm going to basically put it right inside. Here, this one, my salad bowl, my typical salad, but no salad tonight. It's going to be chicken thighs and roasted vegetables. And some muscles to open this thing up. Love doing my weight loss program. It's going very well. Don't worry, I'm going to get back to that later. But, so we're going to do salt and pepper on this guy. I'm going to show you. So right now, here's the chicken right in there. See the chicken? So watch. So I'm going to do salt and pepper. So I'm going to wash my hands really quick. Always keep your hands clean. That's a really important thing. You know why? There's no one cross-examining. Now, all this stuff will go anywhere. But it's always good to have clean hands. Now, cooking in this kitchen, pretty easy. It's very simply laid out. Everything's at my fingertips. So this will go pretty fast. But basically, we're going to do salt and pepper. So I have, for my chicken, right, I'm going to do sea salt right here. Sea salt. And whole black peppercorns. I'm going to pour it right inside of here. So we're going to go right inside my blender. Do a handful in there, right? Just a handful. I would say maybe 2 tablespoons. Right? Then we're going to do sea salt. Sea salt to taste also. You can taste that portion with your finger in there. Taste it, I'll show you what I mean. There you go. So, teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. Then grind this guy up. Grind it up, make it nice and fine. Almost ready. Okay. Then we got pepper, food out of this. Crazy. Unbelievable. Okay, so peppercorns and salt right here. So I'm just going to pour it on just like this. Sprinkle it on the chicken. There we go. Now, as you can see, I didn't use all of it. This is a lot. Now, whoa, ground cumin. Ground cumin, use 1 teaspoon. Pour it in there. Teaspoon. Right? So that's ground cumin, just so you know. Ground cumin. Teaspoon. Smoked paprika. Paprika. Good stuff. So it has like that smoky barbecue flavor. Just like this. Also, teaspoon. Whoa, that's a lot. That's right. Look at the flavor. Okay. So now I have that mixed in here. I'm going to mix this all in the chicken. I'm also going to put a little olive oil. Olive oil, you can use 1/4 a cup, or you can use a little less than that. So just pour on. There we go. Let me show you how this magic works. So what I do is I just rub my hands right in here like this, just go like this, mix it all up, make it nice and flavorful. Get it all in there. Now don't go taste this afterwards with raw chicken in your hands. That'd be a really bad idea. It'd be pretty foolish. So in the midst of this is pretty much all done. So this is basically just a dry rub with a little olive oil. Now I'm going to put this right on my cooking sheet. My cooking sheet right here. Cooking sheet. So put 1 on, 2. As you know, keep on counting until it's all done. I don't know how many. Probably like 6. So remember what I said. We're going to use cumin, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and this meal always comes out good. Everybody loves it. Now, let me tell you about the temperature. I set the temperature for 425. You cook it for 1 hour. So here's the chicken right here. Wash my hands. Here's the chicken. It is really that easy. Wash my hands, get all that goodies off from the chicken. Okay? But magically, I'm going to use that same bowl to put veggies in. You know why? Because it's going to be cooked. You don't worry about it. You're not going to get sick. Now, the garlic. remember that roasted garlic I was telling you about? That's going to go right on top of the chicken. That's also going to cook magically. So, you know, it doesn't matter how many you use because it doesn't affect the flavor of the chicken when it gets roasted. Most everybody loves roasted chicken. So just go plop it on. You know, I use 3 bags. This is like, if you say 3 bags, that's like 3 whole bowls. And it has like a magical, delicious, nutritious type of thing going on. So throw this on, put more, just gotta spread it around. Don't make it all in one place. I'll show you what I mean. Boom. Okay, now, when I say roasted, 425, you have to cover it up. For 1 hour, cover it up so it roasts the hell out of it. And cooks it. Cooks it good. And then when it's all done, the family's like, oh yeah, how do you make this? It's like magic. It's like magic. A lot of love. So a lot of love goes to this. But everybody thinks like you're just an amazing cook, right? Really? Yeah, roasted, hour-long deliciousness this has. So I can put this on like this. Let's see it. Turn it up good. Close up with a little foil. You don't have to line the whole thing with a foil. I do it, make it easy as a cleanup. At the firehouse, you can make it as dirty as you want because you cook, other guys cook. So this is going to go on for 1 hour. So I'll just put this in here. 1 hour. Little dissectors. Okay. Now, we got the next thing. We got the veggies. Now the veggies are going to go the same exact. So you just open it up. Like I said, they're already washed. You can be crazy like me, and you can rewash them. But tonight, we're not going to get all crazy. We're going to stay sane. As sane as can be. So I just put them all in there like that. Now it seems like a lot of veggies, right? It seems like, oh my God, Marcel, that's a lot of veggies to put on there. That's going to take up so much space. You're not going to have any more room on your pan. So I'd be like, no, you're right. But let me tell you where you're wrong. I'm going to have some veggies to cook that. They cook that. Okay, so go like this. Put the veggies right on here. Like I said, I got 3 bags. You don't have to use all 3 bags. So here's the salt and pepper right here. Remember? Just pour it on by taste. Might get a little more pepper in here. So you do. Put a tablespoon of cheese on it. Pepper's good. It's good, especially when it cooks. A little bit of salt gives it a little flavor. Okay, and then go ahead and blend it again. So I'm going to blend this again. Blend it until the peppercorns are coarse. Let's see if they're coarse. Okay. Of course they're coarse. Okay. Olive oil. Whoa, strong. Just a little bit. That will go. Okay, use your hands and just get olive oil on all of it, okay? Just like that. Now don't cover this up. I put this straight on the pan, and like so. Here's the pan. And whenever it's above the pan, put that on. So, like I was telling you before, this seems like a ridiculous amount, right? You look at this and you're like, oh my God, so much vegetables. But let me tell you, you need to cook together. And this will actually become a lot less. So you can drizzle a little more olive oil if you want. I might do just a little bit just to be, because the olive oil actually gives it like that crushiness, a little flavoring. Just a little bit. You don't have to go like cook on it, okay? Just a little bit. We'll have a little background noise from the sun's game. We're good there. And now we have liftoff. We're ready to pop this in the oven. This is also going to go for about an hour. Keep your eye on it. Wait till it's kind of like, has a nice color, but it's going to cook down. Right? It's going to shrink down. You can see it. It's going to be like French fries. It's going to be French fries and vegetables. So here we go. Pop it in. So as I do this, I always have to gauge your make sure it's legit or correct. Some things are not legit. Okay, so now go ahead and plop it in. Give it 1 hour, and I'll see you back here. We're back. I'm going to take the food out, okay? So you're going to see me take the food out right now. I'll let you know, I took out the veggies after 34 minutes. 34 minutes of cooking. So 34 minutes, veggies are out, they're done. I'm going to plate them, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So let me also take out the chicken. So, chicken's coming out right now. It's been 1 hour. Oh shit! Woo! Excuse my language. Alright. Almost lost the chicken. So, I apologize for the foul language. Okay, so the chicken is done. So good, so done. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is 1 hour, 425. See how it shrunk down? 425. I'm going to plate this. I'm going to show you what it looks like on a plate. Here is one plate of roasted chicken, roasted vegetables. I'm going to show you. This is the roasted garlic right here. Amazing. Chicken, roasted chicken, it falls right off. Look at that. Look how amazing that looks. The light needs to come on a little more. Let me show you. Look how good that is. Carrots? See this? One of the carrots? Very good. Chicken comes right off really easily. So I recommend you try this at home. Whoa. 1 hour for the chicken, $4.25. Vegetables, 34 minutes, $4.25. That's it. Thanks for joining. This is Firefighter Cafferata. Join me next time.